Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to use Jamboard. We will be using Jamboard to upload our observations that you found and pictures that you took at the butterfly gardens you went to. So Jamboard has many tools that you can use. In this left drop down, you see that there's pins, erasers, a pointer, sticky notes, an add an image option, circles, a text box, and a laser pointer. The main tools that you'll be using is the text box, which is right here, and the add an image tool. The very first thing that I want you to do is get a text box. So you will click on the text box right here in the drop down menu to the left, and then click on the whiteboard. This will have the text box open. Next, I want you to write your first and last name and put it at the top so that we know whose observations we're looking at. My name is Miss Emily Stubbs, so I'm going to adjust this text box to make it fit and put it at the top. Next, we're going to click the Add an Image tool so that you can get the pictures that you took. You can add as many as you want, but make sure that you leave some room at the bottom for another text box. So now I'm going to add my images. I'm going to go browse because my pictures are on my computer. I'm going to go down here to my pictures and I see butterfly garden. So I'm going to click that twice. And now it pops up on my background. I have more than one picture, so I'm going to go again. I'm going to add an image, click browse. I'm going to go to my butterfly picture. And now I have my pictures. I only have 2 pictures here, but I'm sure you will have more than I do. After you're done adding all your pictures, we will add another text box to the bottom of our picture. This is where you will put all of your observation notes. So again, I'm going to grab my text box, click our whiteboard, and here opens a text box. So I'm going to write, during my observation, I found that butterflies like the plant milkweed. I also found that they like colorful flowers. I know this because in the picture to the left, there were butterflies and it has colorful flowers. As you can see, it went all the way down like this. So you're going to take this little box to the right and you're going to click it and spread it all the way out so that you can put it at the bottom like this. I want you to go through and make sure that there are no misspells and that everything has a period. So that is what I'm going to do right now. Okay. If you want to go and look at other people's observations, you're going to go up here. You see this arrow, you're going to go and click it and it'll bring you to another page. When everyone has put their observations, you'll see another person's name and their pictures and their text. Right now, I'm the first one to do it, so this just opens to another page. So say that when you open Jamboard, you see mine. In order to get to a blank page to make yours, you're going to click the next frame and it will open a new one. I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson and I can't wait to see what everyone found. Bye!